Yo, what is going on, guys, and welcome back to another video. Now, it has been a minute since I have last posted. And a matter of fact, it has been, hang on, give me a second, just a second, hang on. 5 days since I have last posted. And the reason behind that is I actually went on vacation to the beach for the first time in a long time. So I was planning on filming there, but then I ended up not filming just because, I don't know, we were just having too much fun. And the videos there would have been like fishing videos, so I didn't know if y'all would necessarily like them. But if y'all would have liked them, drop it down below in the comments and I'll be sure to remember that for next time. Now today it is actually super nasty outside. Like, let's see if y'all can see out there. Yeah, it's super cold. There's ice warnings for the roads and everything like that. There's icicles everywhere. Y'all can see it on that tree right there, actually. Now, this is actually very unusual for where I live, so I don't know, it's kind of neat, but at the same time, it's not. Today, we are actually going to be looking at a few of the new parts I have got in. So the 5 days I have been gone, we actually got something new here. Let me take it out real quick. Nothing really, you know, too exciting or anything like that. Hang on a second. Move that out of the way. Open this real quick. And we got a new tie rod in. Pretty dang heavy duty. I already have the other one done, so now there's this one. And I don't know if you've been watching the videos or not, but we are like redoing the whole front end steering again. So we have that new tie rod, the other one that's already on there, and then we're getting the whole new tie rod assembly, like from the pitman arm straight across and straight across. We're getting that in. And another pretty cool thing that I'm actually kind of excited to show y'all. I gotta go to the garage to see it. Here we are, Borgeson steering shaft. This thing is actually super heavy duty. Now, if you don't know what this is, this goes from like the firewall, like connecting to your steering wheel, down to the gearbox. Now, this thing is super heavy duty. There's no play in it anywhere. We're hoping that this is gonna fix the steering even more. Now, that thing wasn't cheap. It was about 300 bucks, and then all the other stuff that we're doing, I don't know, it probably rounds up to probably a little more than $500. So if y'all like the videos, drop a like and make sure to subscribe to help support, you know, whatever. Ooh, it's gonna be cold out there for y'all. Look at this. I just wanted to show y'all. This is very unusual for Texas, where I live. Look at that. There's literally icicles. Pretty cool, not gonna lie. Hey, is it cold? Is it cold out here? Is it cold out here? Yeah, let's go inside, it's cold. Now keep in mind, I probably actually have not drove my truck in over a month at least. Probably close to 2 months. I mean, it's February 11th today. By the way, my birthday's in 3 days, Valentine's Day. But if we go back here, actually there's too much stuff in the way. Yeah, it's been at least a good month, maybe even closer to 2. And I haven't started it in a good minute as well. And now since it's freezing and everything, and we're having that antifreeze leak, and I don't know if there's actually antifreeze in there right now, which I need to go check. Now, if there's none in there and it freezes, we got a big problem. But I'm gonna go check right now, actually. Well, dang. Came out here and it's raining. I don't know if y'all can see, but I am not trying to be freezing, honestly. Look at the tree right there. All the trees are freezing. Wow, this is so... A lot of y'all are probably like, dude, really? There's even icicles on my truck. We gotta get some pictures of this. And I don't know if y'all guys remember or not, or actually ever watched any of the videos, but basically got a whole new room now. I mean, my room is blue, everything is really clean. And we had to pick up redfish, you know, from the beach. That brings me to my next question. Do any of y'all like fishing? If you do, where do you fish and what do you fish for? I love fishing. I mean, it's everywhere, literally. Now, I know this video is kind of all over the place, but you know, since we can't really go out there and actually do anything to fix the truck, we're kind of stuck in here, and I'm just showing you all the stuff we have for when we make the videos, whenever we can fix the stuff. And I wanted to get y'all updated because, like I said, we haven't posted in 5 days, which hurts me, but you know, we're back to the grind. Now that I got you guys sitting here and you know you're watching, I wanted to go ahead and point something out to y'all. Not that y'all actually, you know, really, Jesus. Not that y'all actually like really care or anything, but if you do, I want to show y'all something. Now, this right here is the watch time for my subscribers. Hopefully y'all can see that. Hang on a second. Why is it not focusing? So I don't know if y'all can see, but basically, not subscribed is about 84%. Basically, what I'm asking is if you watch my videos and you like them and you want to help us get pushed out to further audiences, subscribe and like this video. It helps tremendously. You actually do not understand. But like I said, I just want to make a quick little video, quick little vlog type deal. If you like this kind of video, please drop a like. Like I just said, comment down below that you liked it. But other than that, make sure to drop a like if you haven't already. Subscribe if you're new. And I'll see y'all in the next one. Peace out.
Go! Oh, he spit it. Little head. Oh my god. Throw me another shrimp.